Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit a file in Google Docs, a PDF file. So you can open it in Google Docs straight away. You can also email it to yourself. The format's going to be the same. It's going to show up like this. Then you're going to select Open With and select Google Docs. And in this file, you can then edit your sort of PDF file in Google Docs. It's taking a long time to really load because it's transforming it to a Google Docs. And here you can then edit your PDF file in Google Docs. That's it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!